Kings of Crunch Series 2 1973 Ford F-250 Crimson Crusher. Please hit the pause button to read the other trucks that are in Series 2. Here comes the Crimson Crusher up top of the cars. Look at this old school truck. Very nice to see this one in the Kings of Crunch series. I remember seeing Crimson Crusher on the TNT Renegade Monster Truck Challenge television program. One of the epic things that happened to this truck was when it rolled facing the Mad Dog monster truck back in Louisville, Kentucky in November of 1987. That was in Freedom Hall, and that was a bad crash for this truck. So let's go ahead and turn it around so you can take a look at it from the sides and from the front, like I always do with the other trucks. You will notice that there are 2 tires on each wheel, so to speak, because this truck had altogether 8 wheels or 8 tires on this truck, which made it very unique. Here's the front of the truck, the motor popping out. That also has the roll bar with the lights. Coming around to the other side, just kind of a plain red body, and that's what the tailgate it looks like. I think it just says Ford on the back. Turning it around again, so there we have it, the Crimson Crusher in the Kings of Crunch series. Thank you for tuning in.